Happy morning, dear students. In last class, we have discussed about what is ICT, evolution of ICT, and why ICT. In today's session, we are going to see applications of ICT in chapter 1. Let us move to the topic, how ICT is useful. ICT has broad range of application for society. So this ICT used in a business, education, science and technology, daily life, art and administration. But the utilization of ICT is depend upon the user. How far we are using the application is depend upon us. The next one, the example is given. So the ICT used in a business, it is used for the transaction and it is used in entertainment. Transport, we can do the online booking. Agriculture, the farmer can know about emerging technology. Health and education and government and also industries. The next one, application of ICT in everyday life. Many ICT tools are used in our day-to-day life. So we can read the newspaper, magazines through the mobile. That we used to say e-newspaper, e-magazines. So this is the picture is given. The newspaper is shown on the mobile. E-books. Even the books we can read through the mobile. There is an app for that. That is a Kindle app. Then through the mobile we can do the online shopping. We can purchase the dresses, groceries, etc. So this is a picture of online shopping. So the app is, you know that Amazon, Flipkart, Snapdeal, etc. Through the mobile app we can order the food and we can pay the bill also. So like Zomato, etc. Then through the mobile we can get the online appointment for the doctors. Even we can discuss with the doctors. Because of this pandemic situation we are not able to go out, right? So we can able to contact the doctors and discuss. There is a app for that, example Practo S. The next one, application of ICT in education. So how it is useful for teaching, learning, everything. The ICT tools is used in all the functions of school like admission, timetable maintenance, classroom instructions. It's not only for that, it also useful for the children with the special needs. We can see that talking books, talkback feature of mobile phones, GPS inbuilt walking sticks. So this is the speaking books. Those special child who are not able to read the books, they can read using speaking books. Those who are not able to walk without help of other, this walking sticks is useful for them. They able to alert them. The next one, application of ICT in science and technology. First we will see the health. ICT tools has wide impact on medical field. So doctors at different places can do the medical intervention using ICT. So if they are doing any critical operations, they able to contact the other doctors in whatever places they are. They able to contact and they can do the critical operations also. The next one, telecommunication. The low-cost smartphone are not only useful for communication. It has many applications. So this application based services make people's life more comfortable and easy. Yes, there is a many applications in our mobile. Using the mobile we are able to do the online shopping, we can able to order the food, we can able to book the online ticket, we can able to contact the doctors also. So it is very comfortable to the people. The next one, agriculture and natural resource. Using the weather prediction app, it helps farmers to get better yield so that they can know about the weather condition. So this is the best rain prediction app. Using this app, they can able to predict the weather conditions, and it also used to, that is the ICT tools also used to locate the oil wells, coal mines with the help of the satellite technology. That with the help of that they can easily identify where is the locations. The next one, application of ICT in art. Creative composition and communication, all those things can be done quickly with the help of the ICT. The next one, application of ICT in business transportation. First one, we are going to see marketing. We can see these apps, Amazon, Flipkart, Snapdeal. So all those apps is used for the online marketing, that is useful for the purchasing everything also. That is the dresses, groceries, all the things we can purchase using this online marketing. The next one, tourism. Various online hotel booking systems provide a great experience to the users is through the online app like ClearTrip, Travelguru, Redbus. All those things is we able to book the hotels, and we can able to book the buses also. The next one, application of ICT in administration. How it is useful in public safety and security. Let us see. Using the mobile number or IMEI number, they can track the criminal locations where they are. That is the digital footprint. They can easily identify where they are. The next one, e-governance and public administration. This ICT tools is used in vast range in a government to provide the services and interaction to the citizens. Example, we can update the Aadhaar details, everything in the online itself, that is through the e-services, and even employment registration also we can done through the online. So all those things come very comfortable and easy through the online. I hope you understood all the concepts, children. Go through the books once and prepare well for the exam. Thank you, children. We will see in the next class.